Hey guys, so new and quite huge project in NFT space. And what I'm talking about is Oshi. And by the way, I posted about this opportunity yesterday on my Patreon. So if you want to be early, you can join my Patreon. And what I'm talking about is this. So basically, this new anime project, so focus on anime, they just raised $12.5 million. And why this is huge is because, first of all, the VC funds that they raised money is Polychain Capital, which is huge. You have Spartan Group, Nomad Capital. So these are not some weird VCs. These are actually respectable VC firms. And why this is bullish is because if NFT projects are raising millions of dollars, this means that NFT space is coming back. And if you are looking at the 2021, which is a major NFT bull cycle, NFTs basically started in 2021. No one in early January in 2021, no one could raise this amount of money because this space was so new that NFTs was something experimental and no one could raise this amount of money. That's why I'm so bullish, because we have everything. We have Trump coming into crypto, and NFT projects are raising millions of dollars in mid-January, which is crazy. Now, what is this project about? This basically looks like this is an actual anime project with some huge producers. You can see former president of Sony Pictures Entertainment Japan. I think he's an advisor. Yes, you can see advisor. And the best thing about this project that if we are looking on their website, for example, here you can see the team. Here you can see everyone is doxed, which means everyone in this team is public. They are not hidden. You can go on their LinkedIn. Even this website, I don't know what it's called, but this is like movie website where you can see the portfolios, the films that these people have made or produced or animated. This is like some kind of animator, and here you can see all the films that he has credits in. So really huge project, and that the fact that they raised $12.5 million just means that they could talk so good and explain their vision to the VCs. They basically donated. I mean, they funded 12 million, which means that they have a great product. And if you want to know more, you can go on their white paper on their website. Here is everything explained. They basically want to create a anime studio where everyone can participate. And this will be not a closed anime studio like it is in the traditional world. And you can read yourself. I just want to post and show this because this is really early. They raised $12 million basically yesterday. You can see January 17. And again, no one is talking about this on YouTube or Twitter. That's why if you want to get everything early, subscribe on my YouTube or follow my Patreon to be even earlier. And yeah, here you can see they have LinkedIn accounts, every of these team members, advisors. And again, this is just an early opportunity. You can also go on their Discord channel. Why you want to do it is because if you are active on their Discords for many of NFT projects, and I think this will be an actual NFT project because it seems like that. If you want to get some whitelist roles, some mint opportunities, you can go on their Discord, be active, answer questions, help other people, and you will most likely get some roles. You will get basically opportunity to mint. That's how Discord works. That's how these basically communities work, these projects work, because this is again about decentralization. If you do your job and you just help them, they will reward you with free mints, OG roles. That's why, again, if you want to earn these NFTs and looking at the fact that they raised $12.5 million, this will be quite a huge project because they will have money to do marketing, do actual animations, do actual cartoons, movies. That's why check out this project, and there are basically no one talking about this. And one thing I want to show you is this, which is quite early, and I posted this on Twitter as Vitalik was basically talking about this. Here you can see Vitalik Buterin on replies. So basically someone said, just embrace Milady, we can save Ethereum. And he, as a joke, said Milady. And what happened? If you go on OpenSea, Milady Maker, you can see the price basically went up. Right now it is 4.5 Ethereum. And here you can see everyone is buying basically every few minutes. And so if we scroll down, we can see 2 hours ago, the floor price was around 3.4 Ethereum. And right now the price is 4.59 Ethereum. That means you could have earned extra $3,000 if you was early. And again, I actually posted this on my Patreon 40 seconds after he tweeted this. That's why if you follow my Patreon, you can get so much early alpha, because I'm always on Twitter, on X, researching, scrolling, and finding so many new opportunities. That's why, again, check out this new project. This is not a paid sponsorship. This is just an early opportunity that I've again found on Twitter, on X. And again, you can actually submit your email and sign up for the whitelist, because there are, I think, around 2,000, 3,000 Discord members. That's why just join the whitelist. How you can join is go on their website and scroll down, and here you will see next generation of anime, and you will be able to join the whitelist. That's why thanks for watching. If you want to get an early alpha and you don't want to miss any upcoming crypto NFT airdrop alpha like this, press the like, press the subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.